Gemini, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is a weekly reading from 25th to 31st of May 2020. And yeah, thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments on my channel. And yeah, I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, so much love, health, wealth, and so many good vibes from me to you guys. And yeah, guys, if you're wondering that which deck I'm using, so this is the good tarot deck I'm using. Yeah, okay, so let's start your reading. This is for the Gemini. Okay. This is for the Gemini people for the last week of May 2020. Okay, I'm trying to. Okay, let's cut the deck for you guys. This is for the Geminis. Page of Swords. So yeah, Gemini, we are going towards your season, so happy birthday in advance. King of Cups, Moon, Six of Swords, Page of Pentacles, Magician right in the heart of your spirit. So Gemini, this is your energy. Beautiful. Hanged Man, Nine of Cups, Lovers again, Gemini, High Priestess. Wow, so many major arcanas in your reading. Here is the Three of Cups. So someone wants to spend time with you, reunion and reconciliation. Yeah, get together. Okay, so this is your overall energy, Gemini. I'm feeling that someone is watching you and waiting for the right time so that they can offer you something. And for some of you, I'm feeling that you're learning about something, because this is Page of Swords. So you are trying to know something about a certain situation. Yeah, okay, okay. So with the King of Cups, Moon, and the Six of Swords are telling me that there is a person who has so much love for you, but then secret also. Like they have love and also the fear, the secrets, the illusion, something about that. They are fearful about something. I'm feeling that they are fearful that you will let them go, you will cut them out with the Six of Swords, because this is moving away energy. So that's why the person has so much love for you, and they think that they are fearful, like if you walked away from their life. Yeah, so that's why they are fearful. Page of Pentacles, Magician, Hanged Man. Definitely you're learning about something because you want to manifest something. In the current energy, you are trying to manifest very tangible things with the Page of Pentacles and Hanged Man, and you have got something, some kind of information, enlightenment, something very important, right now. And that's why you are trying to manifest your situation by using that thing which you know about recently. Like you know something very important, and now you are using that important knowledge to manifest your stability. Yeah, Nine of Cups, Lovers, and the High Priestess. These three cards are the bestest card of the tarot, definitely, with the Nine of Cups. So you are going to have your wish fulfillment. This must be your love partnership. This must be a special decision, a very important decision, a choice, and you are making this choice very consciously by using your intuition with the High Priestess energy present here. Yeah, so definitely you are not making it like in a hurry or something like that. No, you are taking your time with the High Priestess, and then you are making your decision, which is great. Why is the Page of Swords is here? Transformation, beautiful. Eight of Pentacles, Four of Cups. Okay, so Gemini, I'm feeling that you are very different person before this transformation. You were a very changed person, but now you have, when you put in the work for yourself, within yourself, the put in the love in yourself, you are, you have gone through your dark night of the soul, definitely, because this is transformation, uh, birth after rebirth after the death, definitely. So you are now working on your stability, definitely. You are trying to manifest something, that's why you are not interested in any kind of offers of like emotions, because you're Gemini, so you are preferring the logic, the reality, the facts, and yeah, I'm feeling that there is an offer in front of you, but you're not seeing it, you're not interested in it, yeah, in that offer. Why is the moon here? Because things were different before and now things are different, that's why you're not interested in that offer. Moon, why is the moon here? Knight of Swords, King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Six of Cups. So some of you are dealing with Cancer, Pisces, another Gemini, yeah, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, moon is clarified by with the Knight of Swords, King of Wands, and the Six of Cups. So I'm feeling that the secrets, you will know about it, because communication is coming, information, the conversation is coming for you, coming your way, and then you will take the action. Yeah, then you will take the action because you want to know all the facts, and after that you will take your action. And this is for some of you, this is the person who is sad, because they, I'm feeling that they want to hide that thing from you because they don't want to lose you. Yeah, this is the vibe I'm getting from, because they think that if you know them, you will walk away from them and you will cut them out from your life. That's why they are becoming sad, because they don't want you to know about that thing of them. Yeah. Why is the Magician here in the current energy? Two of Pentacles, yeah, working, very busy in maintaining your stability. Six of Pentacles, you are trying to balance your money, Pentacles, life, Knight of Cups. Okay, you know what, Gemini, you're trying to be balanced, you're trying to manifest something very important, and you know what, by manifesting those abundance and money and Pentacles, you're manifesting a very beautiful connection. This is the Knight of Cups, which is very cute, very charming energy, personality. Obviously this is a very handsome person, and they want to offer you their cup of love. So don't hold back, don't resist them, be open. Okay, why is the Hanged Man here for the Gemini? Knight of Wands, wow, Wheel of Fortune, beautiful, Eight of Swords. Okay, so yeah, the stuckness was there with this Hanged Man and Eight of Swords. You were feeling stuck because the time was like that, because of the quarantine, and I'm feeling that you are imposing this stuckness on yourself, because this is not reality. Yeah, I'm feeling that you think that this person is not serious person, like in for the commitment. They are just going in and out of your life, and that's why you don't want to be stuck with them again, because you think that whenever they were in your life, you feel stuck, your things will not grow, your things were like hell. Yeah, your life is like hell. But you know what, the situation will go in your favor, the wheel is turning in your favor, the situation will change, because we have also transformation here. So definitely, because you are changed right now, you are in the higher vibration energy, and that's why you are attracting the higher vibration things like abundance, money, love, health, wish fulfillment. Wow. So definitely you are in your higher energy. What is this Nine of Cups for the Gemini, please? Four of Cups, healing, definitely healing. Three of Pentacles, King of Swords. Here you are. Here you are. So you are very clear. You know that this what you want to invest, or where you want to invest your time. That's why you are thinking before, and then you are taking action. Like after thinking and contemplating, you are taking action to collaborate with someone, and you are very clear. Your thoughts are very clear. You are very logical, very determined, and this is the energy of manifestation. You know that this is the law of attraction. High Priestess, Ace of Swords, Two of Swords, Nine of Wands. Yeah, you know that some kind of new offer is coming your way, and you have to decide like from two options or something like that. You will be on a crossroad, and but you know what, you are in your mindset because you are Gemini, but you're also have your healthy boundaries, which is great. Like you are doing a very great work on yourself. You're making your healthy boundaries so that you can have the best decision, because you just don't want to be like what I want to say, yeah, you don't want to be wasted your time in the feelings or emotions, because you want clarity first, and then you just don't want to waste your time in any kind of BS. Yeah, because you know these things are coming your way, these beautiful things are coming your way. So yeah, Gemini, this is I have for you. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.